Welcome to our guide on creating stop-motion videos using your smartphone. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of stop-motion and show you how to bring your ideas to life. Let's start. In the beginning, I will cover basic technicalities and what essential equipment you gotta have. I am going to keep things simple here and suggest only essential and easily available things. So, gear yourself up with a smartphone for a camera, tripod or other type of stand for stabilization, and, well, objects you're making your video about. Typically, people use clay or plasticine and shape them into characters their stop-motion video is narrating about. I will personally go with these plastic logos and other miscellaneous items I have laying around. Now, set the stage, camera angle, and light according to the result you want. After that, adjust the camera properties until you're satisfied. If your phone has a camera pro mode, use it. Next, the process is pretty manual, so take a picture, change the scene for the following frame, and take a picture again. Repeat this procedure until you have recorded the entirety of your video. It is time to get the video together. Install the InShot app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now I will also quickly show how you can compose your video or combine all the images you have taken into one slow, or should I rather say stop motion video. So launch the InShot app. This application, as I've already mentioned, is available both in the App Store and Google Play Store, so regardless of the system your device is run, you will have an access to this tool. So launch the app, grant the app with all the essential or necessary permissions, then here in the Create New section, tap at the video. Grant the InShot application with, well, your gallery access. Now select the photos that you have taken that you will create your stop motion video from. So those are all the pictures that I need. So now we'll upload them into the InShot once selected. So now at the timeline to your bottom, select the first image. Then at this toolbar, look for the duration property, tap on it, and then reduce it all the way down to 0.1 second. Then click here, apply to all clips, making sure that all your photos will have the same duration or length. Then confirm, apply to all, and that's what the composed video looks like. Now, all that is left to do is to share it or import it, save it to your storage, and share it to your favorite social media. Before I go, I will also share a very small and little tip. If you think that your video goes too fast, if you would like to reduce its speed, just once again, select the first shot or any shot for that matter, go into duration, and slightly increase this interval. So I'll go from 0.1 to 0.3 seconds, for example. Important, do not forget to press here instead of there to apply this change apply this change to all photos, all elements we have here. And now my stop motion video should be 3 times longer, so let's see. Or 3 times slower, rather. So as far as the editing part goes, that'll be it. And well, now let's look at the result we have managed to come up with. So that'll be it for this video. If you found it helpful or you just liked the video, do not hesitate to, well, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye!